Guys, I just wake up and you know me, Yara. I make videos. And this one's a vlog. And this one's my first vlog. And I'm not really sure if I cannot say it. I'm not really sure if I will do a vlog in Philippines because if I make a vlog there, I'll be kind of embarrassed. So if I gonna make a vlog in there, I will not talk so much. I will just like show. I will not really talk. I will start another vlog when we go to Philippines in the airplane. And I'm using my mom's laptop. See? I just woke up from a nap and it's a very long sleep. I sleep at 6 in the morning. Then I wake up at I think 2 in the afternoon. Yeah, 2 in the afternoon. And I'm very bored. So I'll put you in the I cannot hang you there. So this one's a short vlog. I just wanted to say I'll I'll make the vlog in Philippines, but I'll not talk a lot. And the vlog, it will not be like 20 minutes. It will be like 15. Cause before when I upload a video and it's 18 minutes, it says only to upload a video if it's 15 minutes. So yeah, I only wanted to say that I will start it on Philippines in the airplane. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Follow me, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, comment, uh, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!